Yes. See here, we will see a hexagonal lamina of 25 mm side rest on one of its corner. Let me draw the horizontal line XY. So here X, Y and VP, HP. The lamina makes 45 degree to HP. So first we have to draw the hexagonal lamina, keep one of its corner on HP. So draw the lamina 0.5 mm thickness, hexagonal lamina, hexagon 6 sides, so 360 divided by 6, 60 degree each. So that 25, 60, 25, 120, 25, 180, 25, 240, right, 300. Now you can see this is the corner, this is the position we have to keep the lamina. So select all the entities and make it as a group. Just little bit move down, and we can name all the corners. From there, this is a corner where it rests on HP. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Now select with the help of 0.13 line thickness, draw the projector lines from B through F. We have to make from C through E, make this projector line, and from D. Right, now select the line 0.5 mm thickness from this end to here, from here, from here. So mention the names for the front views, that is A dash, B dash and F dash. F dash should be in bracket. C dash and E dash. E dash should be in bracket. D dash. Just move for the visibility. Now we have to make this front view 45 degree to HP. The lamina, it is inclined to 45 degree to HP. So we are moving this, select this as entire group and move the front view from this corner. Just move and keep it on the reference line. Next we have to rotate the front view. There is a lamina making an angle 45 degree to HP. So select 45 degree here, rotate it. Now it is rotated to 45 degree. Then we can check the angle. Now the angle is checked, it is a 45 degree. With the help of line command, draw the projector lines from each end points, so vertically downwards. From the each corners. Now from A to A dash where it meets, from B and C through B and C we have to check B and B dash where it meets, C and C where it meets, like that we have to make it. So B dash, C to C dash, D to D dash, E to E dash, F to F dash. Right, now mention the intersection points. We have to mention where the A, B, C comes. So the intersection points we have to mention as A, D, B, where it be is me. C. Now with the help of line comments we have to join all A, B, C, D, E. Select all with the help of group command, and we can make it as a group. Select all the entities, make into a group. Right. Now next one is the diagonal passing through the corner on which it rests appears to be inclined 30 degree to VP. So we have to move this entire view after inclination 45 degree to the HP. Move this, select the corner, keep it there. The diagonal in the sense the line which crosses through the corner, the A and D. So you can select that diagonal should be inclined to VP for 30 degree. So we can select rotate command, select the diagonal, and it should be rotated. It appears to be inclined. It appears to be inclined 30 degree to VP. So we are going to rotate the diagonal 30 degree. Now we can check with the angle. So this is 30 degree. We can draw the projector lines from the front view of it. D dash, C dash, E dash, B dash, F dash, and we can draw from the top view where it meets the A and the A dash meets. Select 0.13 mm line thickness. Draw the projector lines from A and A dash where it meets, B and B dash where it meets. Extend, then you can trim it, no issues. C2 exactly from C end of the line, select, make it C dash where it meets on the line. Okay, then D where it meets a D dash. Project all items, and with the help of trim commands we can trim which is not needed. Alright, then mention the ABCD dash on this with the help of line commands with a 0.5 mm thickness. Join the points. So now it's a top view. With the help of trim command we can trim unwanted lines. So this is the final. We can make dimensions whatever given. So this is over.